Hey everyone, if spell check is not working in Microsoft Word in 2026, like no red underlines, grammar not showing, or errors not being detected, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Word spell check step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and go to File, then Options, then Proofing. Make sure Check Spelling as you type is turned on. Next, check your document language settings. If the wrong language is selected, spell check will not work correctly. Now select all text and ensure do not check spelling or grammar is disabled. This is one of the most common issues. After that, restart Microsoft Word. Temporary glitches can stop spell check from working properly. Next, update Microsoft Office. Outdated versions often cause problems with proofing tools. Now, disable any problematic add-ins. Some extensions interfere with spell check functionality. After that, run quick repair or online repair. This fixes corrupted program files and restores normal features. Finally, if nothing works, reset Word settings back to default. This can fix deep configuration issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Microsoft Word spell check not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your spelling and grammar tools should work again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Word troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes.